Hi guys, it's me again, Bon Sitoy, and today I'll show you a condo development na perfect for nature lovers, first-time buyers, and smart investors. Ito ang Zadia Greenfield City by Greenfield Development Corporation. Located in the heart of Santa Rosa, Laguna, Zadia offers you a refreshing and greener lifestyle without going too far from the metro. So, anong meron sa Zadia? 5 mid-rise towers up to 18 floors per building pero still low density kumpara sa high-rise condos. May available na 1BR at 2BR units. Sizes range from 24 to 55 square meters. Enjoy resort-inspired amenities like swimming pool, jogging path, basketball court, clubhouse, at higit sa lahat, 80% ng area is dedicated sa open spaces, mga puno, landscape park, kaya laging maaliwalas at fresh ang hangin. And best part, units start at 4.8 million pesos, flexible payment terms, pwede ka na makapag-invest for as low as 20,000 monthly sa down payment, super affordable para sa quality at location. Nasa loob ng Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna, malapit sa SLEX, New Valley, Paseo, and key business hub sa South, napaka-convenient ng location. Kung gusto mo ng site tour, sample computation, o may tanong ka about the units, comment down below or send me a message. I will guide you from start to finish. See you on my next one!